Welcome to the Ultimate OpenClaw Setup Guide, your step-by-step blueprint to building, configuring, and deploying your own personal AI operations engine. In this guide, you'll learn what OpenClaw is, how to prepare your system, install the platform, and run the onboarding wizard. We'll break down the architecture, verify your setup, connect messaging channels, and expand capabilities with powerful skills and tools. This is your complete launch plan for running AI on your terms. OpenClaw is a locally deployed AI platform that runs a powerful assistant directly on your machine. It connects to models like Claude or GPT, works through WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, and Slack, executes tasks on your computer, and runs securely in the background. Unlike cloud-only tools, you control the models and environment. OpenClaw isn't just an assistant, it's your AI operating system. Before installing OpenClaw, make sure your system is ready. It runs on macOS, Windows, or Linux. You'll need Node.js version 22 or higher, since OpenClaw runs on JavaScript. Open Terminal or PowerShell and type node-version. If it shows 22 or higher, you're set. If not, go to nodejs.org and install the LTS version. Finally, create an account with either Anthropic, Claude, or OpenAI and generate your API key for setup. To install OpenClaw, open Terminal on macOS or Linux and run the install command from openclaw.ai. On Windows, use the PowerShell install command from the same site. That single command downloads OpenClaw, installs dependencies, and configures your environment automatically. It usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. When it's done, type openclaw-version. If you see a version number, you're installed. Then run openclaw onboard -- install daemon to configure your assistant, AI provider, API key, model, messaging channels, and background gateway. Choose a custom name for your AI assistant. This doesn't change functionality, but it personalizes your instance. Next, select your AI provider, either Anthropic Claude or OpenAI, and paste in your API key from your provider dashboard. Keep that key private. Choose your model, such as Claude Opus for maximum reasoning, Sonnet for balance, or GPT-4 from OpenAI. You can enable messaging channels now or later, but it's recommended to set them up immediately. Finally, install the gateway daemon so OpenClaw runs continuously in the background and restarts automatically. After setup, OpenClaw creates a hidden folder called .openclaw in your home directory. On macOS or Linux, it's located in your user folder. On Windows, it's inside your user directory as well. Inside, you'll find the main configuration file, encrypted credentials, a workspace for memory and tasks, and logs that track system activity. The gateway acts as the orchestration engine. It routes messages, calls AI APIs, manages installed skills, and executes commands. By default, it runs locally on port 18789. To verify your installation, start by checking the gateway status. Type OpenClaw Gateway Stat. You should see that the gateway is running, the port is 18789, and the status shows healthy. If it isn't running, start it with OpenClaw Gateway Start. Next, launch the dashboard using OpenClaw Dashboard, or manually visit 127.0.0.1:18789. From there, you can chat with your assistant, monitor system activity, review logs, and adjust settings in real time. Next, connect your messaging channels. For WhatsApp, run OpenClaw Channels Login WhatsApp. Then scan the QR code using linked devices in WhatsApp. You can approve specific numbers using the pairing approve command. For Telegram, message bot father. Create a new bot, copy the token, then run OpenClaw config edit, and paste the token into the Telegram section. Restart the gateway afterward. For Discord, create an application in the developer portal. Add a bot, copy the token, enable the required intents, add it to your config, and restart the gateway. Skills expand OpenClaw's capabilities, acting as modular tools that extend what your assistant can do. To install one, type OpenClaw skills install web-search. Then you can say, search for current NASA missions, and it will execute using that skill. Popular options include calendar management, weather, Spotify control, file organization, code assistance, browser automation, and workflow triggers. Discover and install more skills anytime at clawhub.ai. For advanced configuration, you can customize your assistant's personality. Navigate to the workspace folder and edit the sol.md file. Define how your AI should think, respond, and prioritize tasks. Then restart the gateway to apply changes. You can also enable multi-model routing by editing the config file and assigning different models for primary, fast, or budget tasks. Finally, set daily token limits to control usage and receive alerts when thresholds are reached, keeping performance and costs optimized. If you run into issues, here's how to troubleshoot. If you see command not found, reopen your terminal or reinstall OpenClaw. If the gateway won't start, try launching it on an alternate port using OpenClaw Gateway port 18790. If the AI isn't responding, verify your API key, confirm you have billing credits available, and check system logs by typing OpenClaw logs. These quick checks resolve most common setup issues. When it comes to security and best practices, treat OpenClaw like real infrastructure. Never share your API keys. Use the pairing system to control who can access your messaging channels. Keep OpenClaw updated regularly. Monitor logs for unusual activity, and set token spending limits to manage usage. Avoid exposing your dashboard publicly without proper security controls. OpenClaw is powerful, and with that power comes responsibility. Use it wisely and manage it like a production system. OpenClaw supports powerful strategic use cases. It can operate as a research assistant, automation engine, coding copilot, calendar manager, messaging responder, workflow orchestrator, or even a multi-agent controller. With advanced configuration and skill expansion, it evolves beyond a simple assistant. It becomes a fully customizable AI operations layer, capable of managing tasks, coordinating systems, and supporting complex workflows directly from your own infrastructure. For next steps, explore the official documentation at docs.openclaw.ai. Review the GitHub repository for technical insights, and browse the skill warehouse at openclawiq.com to expand capabilities. From there, you can build multi-agent systems, design business automation pipelines, integrate smart home controls, deploy continuous AI task schedulers, or scale into enterprise-level orchestration. OpenClaw is your foundation. The expansion is limited only by your architecture and vision. Final thoughts. OpenClaw is not just a chatbot interface. It is an extensible AI runtime environment designed for those who want control, privacy, and operational flexibility. Once installed and configured correctly, it becomes a persistent AI command layer, capable of evolving as you expand its skills, integrations, and automation logic. You now have everything required to deploy it properly. Welcome to your AI command center.